Hi there! Today I wanted to discuss the new Dr. Davis SIBO recipes and probiotics. Since Dr. Davis launched his best-selling book Super Gut, the interest for making his breakthrough fermented dairy recipes has grown exponentially. Myself and the team at Luvele has and is working very hard to keep up with the demand from our community to make these amazing recipes. We have added new features to our yogurt makers, like our 36-hour timer, and increased the temperature range to accommodate for the Dr. Davis recipes. We now also sell the cutting-edge cultures Reuteri and Gasseri probiotic starters to help our community make these super healthy, gut-loving recipes at home. With this in mind, it has not all been smooth sailing, and I wanted to discuss this in today's video. It's important to understand that the Dr. Davis recipes are not traditional yogurts. They are fermented dairy. So the results can vary a lot and may not look or taste like a traditional yogurt. The main challenges we hear about is separated batches. A separated batch is when the milk curds rise to the top and the liquid whey sits on the bottom. This can be very dramatic from batch to batch. A Reuteri and Gasseri batch can also expand during the fermentation process and overflow. So it's important to leave some extra room in the containers when making your fermented dairy. If you get a separated batch, you have done nothing wrong. And this is actually pretty normal when incubating your Reuteri and Gasseri probiotics. Why this happens from time to time, no one really knows. It's just the nature of the probiotics. Remember, you are not making traditional yogurt, you are making fermented dairy. When this issue occurs, it is natural to feel like you have done something wrong, or something is not working as it should be. But in most cases, that's not why. For example, we get asked if the issue is because of the temperature of the incubation being too high. Reuteri and Gasseri both like to incubate at approximately the same temperature as our body, so around 38 degrees Celsius or 100 degrees Fahrenheit. In fact, these strains are fine to incubate within their preferred temperature range, which is approximately 36 to 42 degrees Celsius or 96 to 106 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature does not have to be exact, otherwise these probiotics would be near impossible to ferment in dairy. If separation occurs, we recommend putting the completed batch in the fridge for 6 to 8 hours. Then check the smell and taste after it has cooled. If you are happy with both, then it should be fine to eat, but this will be a personal decision. The team at Cutting Edge Cultures, who worked closely with Dr. Davis to develop the SIBO starters, mentions that a separated batch is fine to eat and still packed with the good probiotics and health benefits these provide. They also say embracing separation is a better strategy than trying to prevent it at all cost. I will leave a couple of links below to the Cutting Edge Cultures website with more information on separated batches and what these mean. I will also link our SIBO video recipes that we have found worked really well. I would like to use this video and the comment section below to start a conversation with our amazing community on this topic. So if you have experienced a separated batch and worked out a way to overcome this, then please share this with everyone. We would love to hear from you. And if you have experienced a benefit to your health from enjoying SIBO fermented dairy, then feel free to share this with the community in the comment section below. I'm sure it will be a big encouragement to everyone. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this information was helpful. And once again, please feel free to share your thoughts and comments below on the Dr. Davis recipes. We really would love to hear from you. Bye for now.